What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Quick word before you guys watch the video. This video right here is not exciting or anything like that. But what I want to do highlight is the fact that a long time ago when I started, I was told to never post these boring videos. They stop your channel from growing. People don't really care to see that kind of stuff. But one of the reasons why I put transparency in my channel name is because I wanted to show the good and the bad. I wasn't just going to come on here and be biased about everything and just not show you guys what I see when I'm out there. I have posted several boring videos that are on my channel. And so sometimes my videos are boring, but when my videos are good, they're really good. But like I said, this video is not too exciting or anything like that. But what I did, the reason I do want to post it is because there's a lot of channels out here where I live, and they go out and record, and all of these channels think that I'm out there just to cause problems. And you hear it on their channels. You hear what they say. They say that I'm just causing problems and I'm making it worse for everybody. In reality, I think that these bootlicker channels actually make it worse for everybody, because in their minds, cops can do no wrong and the people are just all bad, right? All the people but the bootlickers, they're all bad. But like I said, the reason I want to show you guys this video is because I'm not anti-police. And I talk to cops all the time when I'm out there, but at the same time, I don't support police blindly. I pay attention to policies, I pay attention to videos and patterns. Patterns is how I am able to pinpoint problems that are happening in policing, folks. For instance, qualified immunity, internal investigations, police unions. These are three policies that I believe can be thrown on the table, re-evaluated, readjusted, so that we can actually create change for the better. I also believe that police officers should carry around their own insurance, so that when there's a lawsuit filed and the people actually win the lawsuit, the money doesn't come from the constituents, the taxpayers, me and you. The money would actually come from the police officers. Like I said, there's a lot of things that I believe that we could change to actually make police officers really want to do their job correctly. And that's my whole goal. That's my plight. That's what I want to do. So some of these other channels that think that I'm just here to highlight the bad, you're wrong. This here video is proof of that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Check this out. Is everyone okay?
I think so.
How's it going?
What's up, man?
Yeah. And your insurance should take care of it.
Everybody okay? Everybody okay? So it doesn't really seem like anyone's injured, folks. Seems like everyone's okay.
Okay, yeah, I might miss the call because it's
Cop was like trying to tell me to move, huh?
Hey, put me in the video.
cops. Filmed on location with the not so brave men and women of law enforcement. So that one's highway patrol as well, right? Yeah, it is. I'm out here with Nate's Gates 182, folks. Check a live one.
They're not doing that.
I think they're just waiting for the tow trucks and shit.
Yeah.
Should we hit it? Take off?
You get the name back, please.
Yeah, for sure. Sure is. I'll get the names and badge numbers real quick. Huh? Garcia. You already got it? You asked him? When? Right now? You know the window? I don't fucking hear you. It's crazy. Jesus. Let's go. Walking through, guys. Walking through. So nobody's hurt here. Everybody's good.
Yeah, fine.
All right, man. Mind if I get your name, badge numbers, real quick before I leave?
Rodriguez 20402.
20402. Oh, you.
20123.
All right, thank you, guys. All right, you too. Sorry that happened to you.